Windows 11 has a powerful security feature called memory integrity. But most people either don't know it exists or turn it on without knowing the downsides. Today I will show you how to enable it using command prompt, verify it's working and when you should not turn it on. So let's get started. Open command prompt as administrator. Now run this command system info. Scroll down and look for virtualization based security. Hyper-V requirements. If virtualization is supported and enabled in BIOS, then fine. If virtualization is off in BIOS, memory integrity won't work. In admin command prompt, run this command and then press enter. Now enable VVS by running this command. And then press enter. After that, enable memory integrity by running this command. And then press enter. Once done, restart your PC. After reboot, open CMD again and run msinfo32 and then press enter. Look for virtualization based security running, hypervisor enforced code integrity enabled if you see that memory integrity is active. Note, do not enable it if you use old hardware drivers, you run legacy software, you are a competitive gamer chasing max FPS, you use VMS, emulators or kernel level tools, you notice FPS drops or input lag after enabling it. Memory integrity can cause 3 to 10% performance loss in games, drivers incompatibility, software crashes. For gaming PCs, especially sports titles, it's often better off. Enable memory integrity if you care more about security than FPS, you download files from unknown sources, use your PC for work or sensitive data, you want extra protection against malware. Note, memory integrity is powerful, but it's not for everyone. If you want a CMD guide to turn it off, optimize Windows for gaming or fix driver issues, comment below. So I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you find this helpful, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech fixes and tech tutorials. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.